In this tutorial, you will learn the steps to turn on Universal Terminal and Task Controller and locate the ISOBUS settings in the InCommand Go display. Universal Terminal and Task Controller are turned off by default. The first step to controlling an ISOBUS implement is to enable these features in your InCommand Go display. From the home screen, tap the Setup, then tap Console Setup. In the Console Setup menu, tap ISOBUS Settings, and then tap the Enable Universal Terminal checkbox. With this box checked, the Universal Terminal app will appear on the home screen, and UT will be a button on the taskbar of the mapping screen. If you will be using an Ag Leader ISOBUS module, you also need to tap the Broadcast Display Speed checkbox and the Auxiliary Module Support checkbox. Function instance can be left on the default value. In general, the function instance only needs to be changed if more than one display is connected on the machine's ISOBUS line. On the right side, tap the Enable Task Controller checkbox. Task Controller, when it is supported by the ISOBUS ECU, lets us control some of the implement's functions directly from the mapping screen. Tap the green check when finished, and then tap the green check to return to the home screen. You can now continue with your implement setup by tapping Universal Terminal. If you are connected to the ISOBUS implement, you will see a status bar showing that the communication between the display and implement is initializing. Now you can enable Universal Terminal and Task Controller to use in your InCommand Go display with ISOBUS modules and equipment. For more information on the setup and settings, please refer to the Operator's Manual on the Ag Leader Knowledgebase. If you'd like to see more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.